Hey there, let me ask. Have you ever wished you could finally fall asleep, but your mind just won't let you? Lying in bed, you watch the clock, feeling tired and all alone as worries and old memories spin through your thoughts. What if the answer to a good night's sleep was not locked in medicine, but instead was waiting for you in your kitchen? Tonight, let's discover together how simple, natural foods can help you relax, sleep deeply, and feel like yourself again. Sleep is something everyone needs, but not everyone gets enough. We dream about a peaceful night where our bodies and minds recharge after a long day. But for many people, sleep becomes something they chase but rarely catch. Problems, stress, phones, and even late-night snacks get in the way. The famous writer Carol Chapek once wrote about a man who sparkled with life in the day, but each night sadness and anxiety would sneak in. He compared sleep to gentle water, carrying away our worries and pains. For many struggling with sleeplessness, that gentle water feels out of reach, like a dream you can't quite hold. Most adults need between 7 and 9 hours of sleep each night, but our busy lives, filled with screens, jobs, family, and stress, can make true rest difficult. Maybe you toss and turn, wake up tired, or find your mind wandering at 3 a.m. Many wonder, why does our body need so much sleep? And can something as simple as food actually help us rest better at night? While we sleep, our bodies do important healing. Muscles restore themselves and our strength returns. Lying fully flat and relaxed gives the best rest. If you wake up stiff or sore, it may mean your sleep wasn't deep enough. Sometimes you wake up cold because your blanket slipped off. Your body cools itself off naturally for deep sleep. But sleep isn't just for muscles. Our organs recover, our hearts and lungs slow their pace, and even our reactions get duller. Sounds and smells fade away, but your brain is busy. As you sleep, it sorts out memories, solves silent problems, and helps file away everything you learned during the day. There are even stories of amazing discoveries happening in dreams, like when Dmitri Mendeleev saw the entire periodic table while he slept. It's proof that sleep is just as critical for your mind as it is for your body. Your body even burns extra energy while you sleep. At night, you're not eating, so your system draws from stored calories. That's why good rest can help you manage weight, while poor sleep can throw off your hormones and make you crave more food during the day. When you sleep well, your immune system also gets a big boost. Antibodies increase, and your body fights sickness better. So how does food play a role in all of this? Research shows what you eat can have a huge effect on how easily you fall asleep and how refreshed you feel when you wake up. In one study, people followed a strict veggie-heavy diet for a few days. They skipped sweets, white bread, greasy foods, and anything processed. They fell asleep quickly, in about 17 minutes, and woke up full of energy. On another day, with fast food, pastries, bacon, and sugary sodas in their meals, they took way longer to fall asleep and felt groggy when waking up. Foods high in sugar and fat, like cakes, cookies, and meats, made it much harder to rest. And it's not just food. Coffee, tea, milk chocolate, and alcohol disrupt sleep if you have them too close to bedtime. So which foods help you drift off faster and enjoy better quality sleep? Let's make a list you can actually use. Almonds are a top pick. They're full of melatonin to help set your body clock, plus magnesium, antioxidants, and fiber. Even though more studies should be done in people, animal tests already show that almonds support longer and deeper rest. Turkey is perfect for late-night snacking. It's light, easy to digest, and contains tryptophan and melatonin. Both help you relax and prepare for sleep. Turkey also has protein, which your body needs to rebuild overnight. Bananas are a simple but powerful sleep snack. They have magnesium and potassium to relax your muscles. Bananas also help your brain make melatonin and serotonin, two natural chemicals that control sleep and keep your mood balanced. Chamomile tea is a bedtime classic. It's calming with natural apigenin, which binds to receptors in your brain and quiets your mind. It also helps with digestion and soothes away tension. Add a spoon of honey or a squeeze of lemon for added comfort. Oatmeal with honey is a warm and gentle meal before bed. The oats give you slow digesting carbohydrates and magnesium for muscle relaxation. The honey adds glucose and encourages your body to make more melatonin. White rice is great for people whose tummies feel sensitive at night. It's easy to digest, and tryptophan helps calm nerves so you can drift off faster. In some studies, people who ate rice instead of bread or pasta slept faster and better. Cherry juice and fresh cherries are natural melatonin boosters. Nutritionists say a glass of cherry juice or a bowl of cherries, especially for a week, can improve how long and how well you sleep. Yogurt, kefir, and cottage cheese are full of probiotics, good bacteria that help your digestive system and support immunity. They're gentle, packed with proteins, and easy on the gut at night. If you tolerate dairy, a cup of warm milk before bed can help you relax and beat nighttime anxiety. There are also foods you should avoid at night if you want steady sleep. Say no to caffeine, spicy dishes, fatty snacks, and alcohol after dinner. Eating too much of any one food, like supersized turkey portions, won't help. Listen to your body. Balance is always best. Other foods can sometimes help in small amounts. A piece of dark chocolate, a few walnuts, some oily fish, mint or passion flower tea, or even slices of kiwi have all been linked to better sleep. But keep salt and sugar low and aim to eat your last snack about 1 to 2 hours before going to bed. Let's wrap it all up in a quick list. Choose snacks that help sleep: almonds, turkey, bananas, chamomile tea, oatmeal with honey, white rice, cherry juice, yogurt, and cottage cheese. Avoid the sleep stealers: coffee, soda, chocolate, junk food, sugar, and any alcohol. A little bit of fish, walnuts, mint, or kiwi is fine if it agrees with you. Time your last snack for an hour or two before bed so your body is ready to rest. A night of good sleep brings energy, brighter moods, better focus, and a fresh start every day. If you find sleep hard, you are never alone. By making gentle changes in your evening foods and habits, you can help yourself finally get the rest you deserve. If you enjoyed these practical tips and want more on living better, please like, share, and subscribe for real wellness advice, health, and sleep solutions. There's always something new to learn on this channel. Here's to sweet dreams, deep sleep, and waking up ready for anything.